Welcome back to JC Motor Garage. So today I'm at my buddy's dad's and mom's salvage yard here in Yorktown, and we'll be looking at some Hondas, some RSX, and some engines, and see kind of what we're going to look at as far as the RSX or the Honda build, and kind of get an idea of prices and what he's going to look for me. So let's check him out and see what we can come up with. All right, so I'm at my friend's dad's salvage yard, and we found this, is it 2000, right? 2000 GSR Integra. It's got the GSR motor in it. You can tell by underneath here, you can tell by the intake runners right there. They kind of go up there, but it's a dual overhead cam B18 full VTEC engine. It's got a header on it. What do you guys think? Think we should pick this up, or you think we should look at something else? Need a little bit of work trying to get it out of here, but on the inside, got the door panels. It's a 5-speed. It's a 5-speed VTEC engine. I think this would be nice to start doing some work to it. What do you think? It's got the back. It's all it's a leather interior. Check it out. Yep, it's got the leather interior. Yeah, this would be a nice car to fix up. Leather GSR. I like it. I think it's nice. Well, let's go back here and see what else. See what else he's got here. It's a 2000 Acura RSR Integra GSR. So we'll keep this on the list of what vehicles he has, and we'll go look at some other cars, and then we'll. Needs a little bit of body damage, but that's okay. We'll pull it all apart and redo it. I think that'd be nice for a full VTEC B18 dual overhead cam engine and then turbo it. I think that'd be nice. But let's go see what else you got. All right. This one's got the VTEC dual overhead cam engine too.
Civic Si.
Yeah. So you can tell on the intake on this one. Go down right here. So it's SI?
Yeah.
136,000 miles on it. It's not bad. We're gonna pull the engine anyways and redo it. So what do you think? What do you think on this? I don't know if it's this one's an also stick. It's an SI. It's got some body damage back here. I don't know. I think we're gonna stay away from this one. Let's go see what else he's got.
How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Good. Which friend are you?
Devon's friend, Jeff.
Jeff? Oh, we just spoke on the phone.
Yeah, I worked with him at O'Reilly's.
At O'Reilly's?
Yeah. I think he come up there.
Yeah, that's right. That's his dad and his brother.
Like what Kate would say. Toasty! 225,000 miles. There's another one. Look at this. Look at this RSX here. This one's sold? Oh, it says sold on it. Some nice wheels on this. Is this just a regular RSX, or is that the Type?
It's a Type S.
Oh, it is?
Yeah,
Let's see if we can get this one open here. So this is a Type S RSX. Oh my goodness. Yep, it is. Tell by the intake. Mine's a 2005, and I've got the base model. You can tell by the plastic intake. Wow, look at this. Would you be able to get a title for that one? Huh? Yep, leather interior, 5-speed. Look at this. It's a full VTEC. Look at that interior. Interior is nice. Leather interior. Got the back glass busted out, but that's alright. We'll be able to get the back glass for it. Be able to go fix this up. I don't know. What do you think of this one? Type S. Get some tail lights. Put some nice wheels on it. I like this one. This is another one. This is another one that we could possibly get. Let's check out the driver's side real quick. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Yep, right there. RSX says Type S on it. Oh my goodness. We could throw some seats in here, get these reupholstered if we wanted to. I definitely like this. Get that motor pulled out. Get this out of here. Start rebuilding the engine. I could sell mine. Get this. Oh my goodness. Alright. Let's see what else I got back there. Smash. Look at that. We're gonna take a walk in the back here. Back there in the back. We're gonna see what they have right there. So we're back. Alright, so we found another RSX Type S here. This one looks like in better shape than the other one. Let's check it out real quick and see. Yeah, no seats, but that's alright. We'll be able to figure out that. Let's see here. Yep, it is. It is the Type S. And it has a cold air intake on it. Battery's pulled out. Oh my goodness, look at that. That'd be nice to get. We'll be able to throw this on the watch list too, see what we can so we got 3 cars here. We're gonna get some prices, see what he's looking at once for these. This is another one. Back seats all good. Yep. I like it. I like it. Got some other Honda engines over here too. A lot of parts. Look at all the parts for the Hondas. Just I'll tell what that is. There's another one there. It's another VTEC engine, the Type S engine right there. Maybe we'll find something. Maybe we'll find something we can figure out something here. There's a 3.2 liter out of them like there. A lot of people put these in the RSX. I think I feel that in the RSX turbo. Alright, well, let's go in the back and see what else we can see. Look at this intake. I'm like drinking this intake up there. Alright, I'm gonna get that intake. I think I'm gonna buy that. Put it on my RSX. So we'll see. But I think I'm gonna get that. So let's go check out some other let's go check out some of the cars they have here. Oh my goodness. Hondas everywhere. Honda VTEC, 3.0 liter VTEC. Goodness. Alright, let's go in the back and check out and see what they have back there. You know, I'm just walking out of here and I see a K24 right there. K24 VTEC. That'd be nice to get to. Alright, let's check them out. Alright, so here's the Civic Honda Si hatchback that we were looking at. I guess they had a supercharged engine in it and we pulled it out, sold the engine. It doesn't have an engine right now. This could be something too. We could throw a nice engine in this one if we could get this and then another engine. Like K24 or something like that, or a Type S engine, or just a basic B18. We could throw a B18 in here. Got a lot of parts, a lot of cars that we can look at here, see what we're looking at. And it's a little older. I think we should stick with the RSX. RSX or the Integra Gsr. Let's see. 191,000 miles on this. 191,000 miles on this. Got punched in the front, huh? So we're looking for a seatbelt buckle for my RSX too. So we're looking for that here soon. He's got some other cars back here also. There's another one here. 2.0 liter Type S intake. I'm gonna get one off him. He said he could sell it to me for 50 bucks, and I'm gonna buy it. We're gonna throw it on my RSX. Get a little bit more power taken off, because it is an automatic. So gosh, he's got a lot of hard parts on it. This smashed RSX RDX turbo Acura. Another one. Look at this one. This turboed. Got the turbo in it. It's got another Honda Civic back here. It's a little muddy back here. Got my milled shoes on, so we can come back here and see what he's got here. There's another one, another Honda. There's another hatchback back there too. Look at that. All right. Well, let's go see what he's got for prices on those two vehicles, the GSR and the Type S RSX. And I'll let you know in the comments in the description below what we're kind of looking at. But comment below. Let me know what you think about the RSX, the Type S, and the GSR Integra. I think that'd be two nice cars to pull out of here and start working on. So I'm gonna go check out some more engines and stuff, and then we'll be right back. All right, so we found the Integra GSR and the RSX Type S. We're gonna get some prices on those two vehicles and some other parts in there. Maybe a K24, I don't know yet, B18, but this has got the B18 VTEC engine, and the other one's got the Type S engine. I'm definitely picking up the Type S intake for my car. We're gonna be putting that on the RSX here soon, getting the check engine light fixed, the knock sensor fixed, and all that stuff. And we're gonna be doing all that, getting the airbag light fixed on that, getting the exhaust fixed. So yeah, so if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at JC Motor Garage, and we'll post later on the description what we're gonna get, and comment below. Let me know what you think about the RSX or the Integra, and let me know what you think. But we'll see you next time on JC Motor Garage. Thanks for watching.